Hello everyone, today I will introduce a standard small-scale laser marking machine. It's basically the same shape as the 2.5D small-scale laser marking machine, but the function is different. It has no 3D effect. This standard small-scale laser marking machine is equipped with an electric lifting column and an external double red light, two precious focus, one button autofocus function, and a safety indicator. When it is in the marking state, it will light up in green and keep it lighted in yellow at other times. Okay, now follow me to take a look at the inside of the cabinet. This is the cabinet, and this is the laser source. There are three buttons. This is the emergency stop switch. This controls the galvanometer. This controls the laser source. This is the cabinet door. We can adjust easily lifting. And only when it closed, the machine can work. And its role is to protect your eyes and the surrounding environment. This jack is connected to the rotating shift. This is the vent, and this switch controls the operation of the machine. When the cabinet door is closed, it will be pressed down so that the machine can work. Of course, if you don't want it to close, you can also send it to work. It can work without turning it off. If you want to know more materials that can be marked, please contact us. Thank you. Bye-bye.